booking a flight in the Airasia is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can book a flight in the Airasia. So the process is pretty much same in the app and in the website as well. So you just need to, do the same step in the app in order to do that. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on Google and I'm going to search for Airasia. Now I'll go to this website, which is airasia.com. Now here you simply have to select from where you are going and to where you are going. So I just, entered it randomly and I'm going to click on search. You can also add the promo code if you have, and you just need to add it and click on this redeem code. And after that, you will see, as you guys can see, this page. You just need to select the right one. So I'm just going to click on select, and it will take me to a page where it will, want me to what seat you want to book, and it will also want me to pay. In short, it will take me to the checkout section. So we just need to select the right one for yourself and book a right one for you. The process is same in the app and in the website. So I just showed you in the website. You can do the same in the app as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.